Just use aluminum foil and you never throw away a burnout light bulb again. That's right, folks. After this life hack, you'll never throw LED light bulbs away again. So here I have this one. Let me show you first. I'll put it here. And here I have this extension card. It's plug it into the socket. And as you can see, it's not working. This light bulb, it's burned. So guys, if you got a burnout light bulb there, this is what you'll do. See this part up here? A lot of people don't know, but this is plastic first. Remove this cover. There's a little glue here, but it's pretty easy to remove it. So folks, this is how it works. Do you see these, little squares here? Those are the LEDs. If one of them burns out, so the bulb stops working because they work in series. So for the next step, you need to identify which of them is the one, is a damaged one. And here I can already tell which is the one. It's actually pretty simple because most of the time I would say 99.9% chance, this is what happens. There's this little black dot on it. So because of that, I already know that this is the damaged one and also the one preventing the light bulb to work properly. You need an object or two for this here. I'm using my wife's TERs, but it can be any object. Identify the burn, lead, and then go ahead and remove all this yellow part. Just to scrape it off like this, we need to remove all this yellow protection until it's just a metal underneath, and here it is. After that, we're gonna need aluminum foil, but just a little bit. And now just get a tiny piece of tape. I'm using plastic tape for this, and let's put it on top of the little piece of aluminum foil. Keep in mind that it has to stay right on top of the contact. Okay, here it is. Now just press it gently like this. What we did here was to isolate the single damaged LED, and now I'm gonna show you that our light bulb is probably working again. Let me put it here and check it out. It's working again. And now you're gonna do now is just put the cover back. As I said, you can just fit it back in place. Now put it on, and here it is. The light bulb is back to life. There you have it, folks. So if you do have a burn, LED light bulb, don't throw it away anymore. Try this hack instead because I'm sure you save a lot.